Introducing the best battery-free alternative headphones. Everyone knows the feeling of having your earphones run out of battery when you desperately need them. This was always a big issue for me until I discovered that I was carrying around some of the finest alternative acoustic technology. These Littmann stethoscopes are designed for optimal sound transmission to help detect subtle heart murmurs. So you can play sound on the lowest volume that's inaudible to the naked ear, and they will make everything loud and clear for you. Littmann stethoscopes are universally compatible with all laptops, smartphones, and tablets, never run out of charge, and have excellent acoustic seal to cancel out ambient noise. Their special tunable technology lets you easily turn down damaging high-frequency sounds by switching from light to firm pressure. Overall, the sound quality is great, and I sometimes prefer them to my earphones because you can even use them to check on your heart every once in a while, which is great for both your physical and mental health. Their only downside is the lack of volume control, but if you would like that extra feature, consider getting an electronic stethoscope instead. So go and pick one in your favorite color to complement your personal style from the ones I recommend in my Amazon storefront.